Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your follower list or keep it private for other people so that they won't see it, only you will. And what it does is, what you need to do is that just head over to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Just click on the profile picture on the bottom right corner. And then what you need to do next is just head over here to top right, click on it. It'll send you to settings, click on privacy and set your account on private. But there's a little problem in this one. Maybe some of you also might have encountered this one about how your account is a business account. And what you need to do is head over to account and click on switch account type right here. Oh, sorry, I misclicked. Click on switch account type and click on switch to personal account, because business accounts cannot turn their accounts private, unfortunately. And then what you need to do now is just head over privacy again and turn your account private. And now your account is private. And what this does is that your followers can no longer be seen by other people. Yes, your follower account may be shown on your profile, but the good thing is they won't be able to click on it anymore unless they follow you. So let's say you have some people that don't want to see it. You don't want to see your followers, just unfollow them and make sure they're not following your profile, and they will no longer be able to see who is following you. That is how you hide your follower list on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.